Wagwan, wagwan.
Hi Island family.
Wagwan.
Welcome back to the Island family, guys.
You know the vibes.
Maria.
The island boy, Africa.
And little island boy at the back there. He's in a mood, guys.
Yeah.
It's early in the morning here. And we're on the road.
Yeah, guys, and
next day back from Sydney.
Yeah, this is actually the next day. So
yep.
Today is a very interesting day because you guys see from the title. So today I'm going for a minor surgery. Yeah, and this is in the Gold Coast, which is basically another state at the border, right?
Yeah.
Another state.
Queensland.
Yeah, Queensland. So yeah, going there to do a minor surgery, and yeah, it might be a couple hours I might be there for. You see, so babe decided to, you know, let's stay there, so book a hotel, which is a 5-star hotel, babe said. You see it, so yeah, we're gonna go there, and yeah, hopefully everything goes well. And yeah, so I'm not giving out too much. I hope you guys appreciate what we're giving, you understand, cause at the same time,
let's just say that if Babes gets the minor surgery and it doesn't go to plan, he will be getting a bigger surgery.
Yeah, so
let's just pray that it stays just the minor surgery, which is basically a camera that goes where it needs to go and it fixes the issue.
Yeah,
that's what it is.
Yeah,
but if it's something else, then yeah, babe will have to go under the knife.
Yeah, so it's what it is. And this is not actually, you know, what I was diagnosed with, and they're solving the problem. This is just something that they found while looking for the problem. So yeah, that's what it is really. So
that's yeah, you could put it a good way, babe, because it's true.
Yeah, they found something else while searching, you understand? So yeah, and I'm gonna get that sorted out today, guys.
But
and
they haven't found the solution
to
the problem,
to the main problem. So that's still in the investigation. Yeah, and we wish not to disclose
what it is.
Yeah,
or what it could be.
Yeah.
So
yeah, guys, I hope you appreciate that. And yeah, baby's behind the wheel today. So I know a lot of you will be like, oh, why are you not driving? But yeah, babe decides that she wants to drive. So.
But if he feels better for tomorrow, then he'll drive.
Yeah, because after all of that, I'm gonna be drugged out today, and we're gonna go back to the hotel probably sometime tonight, or I don't know what time it will be.
Yeah,
so it's gonna be a process,
guys. You know, we just pray that babe gets, you know, better, you know, so he can continue to you know, do the things that he loves to do, like music. And I mean, that's not stopping him, but you know, there's other little glitches along the way with the music business at the moment, which babe can talk about another time when he's ready for that.
That will be a whole video.
So guys, so let's just pray for babe and hope that, you know, everything goes well today for him. Yes, it's always worrying when you're going into hospital and things.
Yeah,
it's always really worrying, but you know.
Yeah, I've never done a surgery before, so this is new for me, you know.
But you know, he's definitely in good hands. You know, people definitely in good hands here. So
yeah, guys. I was just distracted a while ago. Have you ever seen that?
No, that's
the plain water in the farm. Basically, didn't get a chance to capture it on camera. It's a small plane just spraying water all over the big farm.
Look how quick this grew. That was
this farm right here.
That was so little when it started.
True.
And it's grown heaps now.
Yeah, so they use a plane to water it. That's a massive farm. I don't know what it is.
I don't know what it is.
But anyway, guys, we're on our way now. So yeah, the Gold Coast.
There he's driving, guys. Better turn that off because we might get copyright. You reckon some Latin music can copyright?
Yeah, I just have to cut it in little snippets.
Little snippets. Yeah, so that's us.
Yeah,
Babe's
guys.
driving now. I just got a bit tired, guys. Yeah, so
Change, you know? And it's a good thing that I have my license now, so I can help out, you know?
yeah, that's it.
Share the drive.
The drive.
Yeah.
Let's go now.
Yeah, guys, so here, you know? The hospital. Speed bump. We're there.
You gotta press for ticket. Press the green button for ticket. Yep. Yeah. Top. How are you feeling, baby?
Yeah, nervous about it all.
You'll be alright.
Yeah, let's see.
You'll be good. Straight ahead. Yeah, we're a bit early.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we're here now. Babe's got to go.
Yeah, so
He's going to be here about 6 hours.
about 5-6 hours, guys. So Babe's gonna go to the hotel and yeah,
I can't check in until later.
until 2.
Yeah, I'm going to try and get until 2.
Yeah, so here, guys.
I'm going to be stuck with Bobo.
Yeah,
Going
Island
shopping
here.
or go get something to eat or whatever.
Yeah, so
Alright
I
guys.
guess when you see me back again, it will all be over with.
Yeah, you'll be alright.
Yeah, so guys, pray for me. You see it and yeah. See you soon.
See you soon. You'll be alright.
Yeah.
I know. You'll be alright.
Yeah, guys, so
You'll be alright.
I don't know what's gonna happen, but let's see. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned for the next one.
Alright.
I'll keep you updated anyway.
Yeah. Alright. Love you, babe.
Sorry, I'm just waiting on a call from the hotel. Here's Island and me. We're sitting at the car park here. I just wanted to say it's just a bit sad today. Well, it's a sad day because you never know. Things can always go wrong at the hospital and thing. But I know Babe will be alright, and I know that he's in good hands. So right now I'm just ringing up the hotel to see if I can actually come in a bit earlier or check in a little bit earlier. Just because Babe's going to be in there for a good 6 hours. So, yeah. And so I'm just shopping. Hang on. I'm going to go shopping now. Then I'm going to go to the hotel. So, Island, say hi. Hi everyone. We love Daddy, don't we? We love Daddy. Dada? Where's Dada? So yeah, dropped off Babe because we can't stay there. Island, don't touch that. We can't stay there, so we have to, yeah, up and out. Well, we could have stayed there, but I'm not going to wait there 6 hours with a baby, you know. So anyways, we're going to go for shops, get something to eat, look around a bit, and then hopefully the hotel will ring me, answer the phone by then so that I can ask them if I can come in a bit early just to chill and relax. Like, I'm still very tired from Sydney trip, you know, we just arrived back yesterday. So yeah, anyhow guys, stay tuned. Big up. We'll see you soon. Sorry, I'm just waiting for that call. Alright, see you soon. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Look what we're having. Yummy, yummy. Open. Guys, it's gonna make a mess. I can see it. It's about to go down, boys and girls. Oh, look at that big mouth. My gosh. Say hi to everyone. Say hi. Island, say hi. Just playing with everyone. This is why it's sometimes good to keep him at home, because look how naughty he is. Sit down, you're going to hurt yourself. Island, Island, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Naughty boy. Finally asleep, and this is the reception area, guys. So this is really superb. Got like food down here, so I know Babe's gonna come back from the hospital and he's gonna be hungry. He's going to be super hungry. Isn't that pretty? Lovely. All right, going to our room. Lifts. Ah, what a day, I tell you. So I just got news that Babe is out of the theatre room, which is great. I'm so happy that everything turned out for him. You know, yeah, so just fingers crossed now, you know, that we can get sorted, get everything that needs to be sorted. Yeah. All right, let's go, guys. So guys, this is what it is. This is the walking to the room now. Busting to go to the loo really badly, actually. This is our room, guys. Okay. Oh wow, as soon as you walk in, everything sort of just is automatic here, isn't it? Lovely. Okay, just a standard superior room. Island's sleeping. Cute boy. So just give you a quick little tour. Room. Tea and coffee. Okay. And the shower. Just very basic, I think. I'd say. Yeah. And that's it, guys. Beautiful.
I'm just in bed now, guys. Just waiting on my surgery. Here we go. I am really drugged out, guys. So guys, we're back. I'm back. So yeah, it's been a long hell of a process. Alright, so we're going in the lift. Yes, yeah guys, Babe came to pick me up and yeah, it's been crazy. Yeah, been dizzy. Very hungry right now, my head is hurting and all that, and I'm feeling some pain, and yeah, luckily I didn't have to go under the knife, you know, but yeah, we're at the hotel. Babe said it's very fancy, So yeah, let's see, 5 star.
Check it out.
Yeah, let's check it out. So, oh, so that's one lift. Now we have to take another lift.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It's beautiful, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
So I think we might just book it upstairs and then we'll come back.
oh, we can do that?
Yeah, we book it from the room.
Okay. All right, let's do that.
Let's do that then. But yeah,
Yeah.
just tape it around. I can walk through here.
Oh, it's very fancy, guys. Wow. Beautiful, blingy, blingy. So poshy. Yes, I'm guessing babe probably filmed this already. I'm not sure.
I'm not sure. I think we're lost.
Really?
Yeah.
What number?
19.
19? Babe says she's a bit lost, guys.
I think we got off at the wrong spot.
Really? So which one were you supposed to get out?
I'm not sure. This isn't it.
Oh my god.
No, we have to go back.
We have to go back, guys. On the lift again. So guys, we didn't need to take the lift. It was just at the other end. You know, it's like we went right and it was left. Yeah. So we're just down there a while ago. It's massive, very fancy. Yeah, man. So it would have been hard if we were to drive back home right after the operation. Yeah. So yeah, it worth staying.
The red dot means privacy.
Oh really?
Yeah, go on.
So I press this?
No.
Oh.
The key.
Oh shoot. Guys, may I eat that? You can't follow me. There we go. Ah, come on in.
The privacy service.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. We're in. Wow. Nice. Well.
So guys, Bay forgot to take his thing. They probably left it on because they knew that you'd be in pain.
Look at that. I don't know if they probably will see it, but that's a lot of freaking hair. Look at that. Can they see it?
Yeah, it's hairy.
Jesus Christ.
Come, let me
It's
take
painful,
it.
man. I may have this.
Okay.
Babe, just take your time. Take your time, please. Take your time, babe. Ah! Jesus Christ.
Baby, you have to do it that way. Guys,
frick,
there's
man?
no other way. Baby, there's no other way though.
Jesus Christ.
It took your hair off. Oh, poor babe.
Look here, man. Babe, take your time. The one day especially hot. Just take your time, babe, please.
My God, it's left like patches.
That's what I'm saying.
It's like wax.
I swear.
Oh my God, hang on.
Blood fire. Next time we do these things, I have to shave, man.
Hang on, guys.
Why they don't shave the spot before they put on them something, yeah?
Yeah, they should have. Well, because they don't. They're not. It's not a beautician spot.
Ah!
Wait, babe. Oh, I've just got the tip of it.
Jesus
Ready?
Christ.
1, 2, 3.
Ah!
Oh, fuck, it's gonna come off. Oh, excuse my language. Oh, bleep that one out. Okay, hold on. I'm so sorry.
I thought it came off.
Yeah,
Oh,
it did.
shit.
Yeah, there you go. You take that bit off.
Ah! Oh, the bomb. Guys, look for me. But even realize them still on, innit?
You're right, babe.
Well, fresh, I know.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah.
Love ya.
Love you too, man. Guys, so time to go have dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah, how we can eat. Yeah, look up over there.
Go.
Yeah, so hungry. Here we go. Come on, Bobo. Right, so here we are at the all you can eat buffet. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you.
Hi guys, how are you?
Yeah, good.
Look, your favourite.
Nice olives.
Yummy. Okay, come on. When Daddy's done. Some pasta. And a bolognese.
Yes, pasta. Oh, so these are different types.
Yeah,
This-
they're all different. Mac and cheese.
Oh
I
yeah.
want to get me some mac and cheese.
Yeah, true.
Maybe not. So guys, we pretty much starved today because Babe had his procedure.
Yeah,
So we waited to have a nice meal.
definitely. It's been a long day. Really long one, guys.
Alright, I'm gonna have to come back.
Oh yeah.
Spaghetti bolognese.
Yes, pasta.
Fettuccine.
Oh, so these are different types.
Yeah,
This-
they're all different. Mac and cheese.
Oh
I
yeah.
want to get me some mac and cheese.
Yeah, true.
Maybe not. So guys, we pretty much starved today because Babe had his procedure.
Yeah,
So we waited to have a nice meal.
definitely. It's been a long day. Really long one, guys. Big boy.
So guys, this is what I got. Real quick. This is my starter. Starter, baby. Yeah. Let's do this. Hey, Baba.
What we have here, babe?
Thai beef salad, Asian noodles, octopus and squid. You might want that.
Not really. They use the baby squid. They actually use the baby squid. Yeah. Oh, so there's.
Oh, beef massaman.
Oh yeah. They have chicken there.
Yeah.
Not really fan of chicken right now.
Chicken curry, Malaysian chicken curry.
Oh yeah. If they have fish, I would work with the fish if they have.
Here. So, get bubble,
Oh, fried chicken.
some fried chicken.
Yeah.
Pork?
Nah.
No. Barramundi fish?
Yes, for sure.
French, I'm guessing this is French, yeah? Ratatouille and this and that.
Okay.
And then you got this baby over here. Antipasto. Ooh, yum. That's my favorite, you know that.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Cakes, fruit.
nice.
I don't know the names of everything. Alright, come over here. Oh my god. Yeah.
Oh,
Grab some of that. Guys, this here is my favorite. Anything cheese.
yeah,
Nuggets for baby if you want them.
nice.
And on this side you've got ice cream, chocolate dip.
Wow, there's a lot, loads of stuff.
That's amazing. Side of that.
What the hell? That's mad.
Side and more dessert.
Wow. It goes all the way down here.
Yep.
It's long, man.
That's my favorite.
What's that?
Blueberry. It's like a flan. Similar.
Okay.
Oh wow, cake.
Nice, guys. Yummy.
You can choose
Go over there. Cake again.
cake over there. Do you want to bring island because he already wants this?
Yeah.
He hasn't even had a main meal yet.
Yeah, so there you go, guys. Yeah, going back for the second round now.
French onion soup and seafood chowder.
So this is what I got, guys. Island chicken and babes having that over there.
Just the starters, guys.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Okay, good boy.
Come
Come on.
on.
This way. Look who we have here.
Did you see the pancake video?
No, I was
You
trying to
see it?
find
Oh,
it.
okay.
Come on, let's go. Come on. Bye.
The monster's coming. Hurry up.
What?
Oh, Gold Coast full of vibes, guys.
Yeah.
We're
Island
kinda
boy.
full. By the way, guys, Babe didn't film the part where I actually ate real food, not just entree food.
Yeah, I didn't capture that part on camera, were you?
I did. I had like roast pork.
Yeah. Yeah, so
Babe had fish. I had pork.
I'm full all day,
And
I haven't it. So.
Yeah, we both didn't eat. I didn't eat
So-
all day. Oh, actually, I had the pancakes, but that was like earlier on, like midday.
Yeah, so.
Come on, let's go.
Alright now guys, I'm very uncomfortable. Yeah, I just wanted to
Lay
relax,
down.
I
Me too. I
swear.
want to lay down with Daddy. I'm
Yeah,
so
so
happy
much-
he's here, guys.
I swear.
And he didn't have to
Excited.
stay in hospital.
Yeah, for real, you know?
Really happy.
Yeah. But yeah, it's
Oh God.
so much more to go through, you know?
Yeah.
It's crazy, it's sad. But yeah, we'll get through it.
We'll get through it. We get through it. We get through it.
Yeah, man. The little island, this island we are waiting on, guys, he's just
Guys,
right here. I'm trying to find it.
and I'm coming back
Right,
down for the casino.
Yeah,
Just
yeah, so babes are gonna have a little try and
a
see.
little try.
Yeah, so let's,
$20.
yeah, not much.
Not much.
big.
We're not big gamblers.
Yeah. Oh, I love the light in here. It's
The light, I know,
beautiful.
makes us look really good. I'm not wearing any makeup or anything, so hey. Okay. Let's go. He's got up.
Ah,
Guys, he's doing his thing.
yeah, he's actually doing a pool, guys.
Inkako. Inkako.
After that big meal, eh? You have to push out whatever inside, eh?
Come on, let's go for a walk down here.
This is what he do, guys, whenever
Yeah.
he's doing a pool.
He pretends that
Yeah.
he's not doing anything, but
And
he's
sitting.
actually, yeah,
Yep.
he's squashing it out.
I bet if I go towards him, you're gonna hear him probably screaming, and that's when you know exactly it's a
Yeah?
caca.
Yep. that's
Yep,
it.
he's running. That's him. Caca time. Oh my God. Come here. Where I go? Hey boy, come here. Where I go? Eh? That's it for you guys. Island, come. We gotta go change you. Come on. Island.
Hi Island Tribe, it's the next morning, and before we leave this hotel, we just wanted to show you the deck area. You know, for those who maybe one day in the future want to come out this way to the Grand Star Hotel. You know, it's a 5-star hotel, guys, so it's pretty flashy as it is. Though it's not me and Babe's cup of tea in a sense, because we were saying you can't cook in there, you can't.
Yeah, it's not like an Airbnb.
It's not like an Airbnb
But I guess-
where you can make your own dish, you know what I mean? And
I guess there's a place and time for everything, you know?
yeah, exactly.
This is the moment, but
This is a,
just
yeah,
that.
yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're out the leisure deck at the moment, and wow. Yeah. Oh yeah. So we'll use the other deck. I don't think it's I don't think it's heated or anything. I'd like to touch it.
Yeah, that would probably be cool.
And then you have, I think you've got like a massage spa here, babe.
Yeah.
Or they give you a massage professionally, maybe.
I wonder why. Nobody gone, huh?
Yeah. Okay, they do ice cream, food, and more.
Very beautiful settings, man. It's really beautiful, babe.
It is lovely.
Yeah, really.
We've got our granite.
Swear.
It's lovely out here, guys. Like you
Yeah.
can see, he wants to get in. Don't you go in there?
Alright, so the gate is open. Island.
Alright, babe, let's get out of here before he tries to jump in.
Yeah. Oh, it's nice. You can actually just sit indoors.
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on. Island, this is not the time for that. Come on. Beautiful. So guys, we just checked out and we're leaving this hotel now, so yeah, let's go. In we go.
The bakery.
Yeah.
Island boy. No.
Nah, come on. No. Don't.
So guys, we're on our way home.
Yeah guys.
We stopped off to have some breakfast. Well, breakfast brunch, and yeah, a bit tired. It's about a two hour drive, the Gold Coast back home. But I feel like these last few days I haven't slept very well. And that's because like when we were in Sydney, Mum's bed isn't a big bed, it's a double bed. So can you imagine the three of us fitting in a double bed? It's very impossible, it's very hard. But yeah, just feeling a bit tired, so just can't wait to get home and relax, you know, because I've got work tomorrow. So yeah, and Island wants to say something to you all. Why is it so dark, babe? What do you mean, baby? Hi, kiss everybody. What's that supposed to mean? Huh? What's that supposed to mean, Island? Baby. Say, what is up? Up. Down. Up. Down. Dun dun dun. Okay. As you know, there's roadworks, always roadworks. It's just unbelievable. Island, baby, got anything to say? How you feeling after your procedure?
Not too good. Some pain, you know.
So he'll probably be in pain for the next, say, a couple of days, between 1 and 5 days, I think. But usually 24 hours. He knows I'm tired and he's wanting to drive home, but I said no because he can't drive for 24 hours apparently. So yeah, anyways, show you all the